Everyone has left the table. That's what I did so far. I'm taking a break and then I'll start back again later on.
Several days later.
Good morning. So it's a couple days after I've showed you the first clip of me doing the puzzle, and I'm going to show you where I'm at. So this is the table now. This is the puzzle now. I finished almost all the bottom pieces.
Wow, I can't believe.
And while I'm doing that, I'm watching Total Drama. This is Revenge of the Island, where new characters play or whatever.
Played that sweet fitness workout game.
Kayla do puzzle.
Yes. Sorry, I had to lose to a girl.
Isn't that a puzzle? Yeah, 2,000 pieces.
Got them artists.
Kayla do almost all I.
Hey.
Occupy our brain.
I like puzzles, so nothing wrong.
Seriously.
Them say them back at hurt them, them head at hurt them, everything at hurt them.
And I didn't, after a while, I didn't hurt me.
I probably like this turn off. Take it out and take it. We're making patty. Let's do it again. 20 toasts for 3 minutes for daddy.
Is not a recognized sport. Look, that tree was covered in birds or something. But if Chris is trying to make lightning look bad, he can't think again. Lightning never gives up and never surrenders. Lightning. Time to witness. Turn it. Just like
everything going as a clear one.
one more person will do it.
Yeah.
Dakota?
Accomplished.
Good to be back.
You know what it is? No.
Look at sheet for me then. I'm down, 12 to go. Who's next?
We're heading out to Sammy's to buy some stuff for my aunt, I guess. Vamanos! Everybody, let's go! Come on, let's get to the first one. I know that we can don't.
Much far, Kayla.
Where they far from the building? It's different, and to say they're far. One camera. In there is cold, so I will not be going in there. Auntie's in the produce section. I'm see. I'm curious as to what am I get with. So it's like a cleaning
There's
product.
no person that.
It's a cleaning product.
How many people wear glasses? Raise your hand. I don't. How many people? This is your ticket. Please hold on to this. Can you? Whip it. 4 different messes that we're gonna make today. Are you an artist? 30 seconds.
Oh, that's a cute face.
Can we give these 2 girls a round of applause for their drawings? Thank you, thank you. It's grape juice. And as we can see, the carpet is already changing color, and we're just gonna soak it up. As you can see, can I get a ooh and ah?
Ooh.
Can we verify with our mirror and our towel that the permanent marker is dry? And I'm gonna take my cloth and I'm just gonna wipe. Same thing with the towel. What you have to do is you kind of have to let the whippet soak in with a stain like this. Take our cloth and we're gonna have to agitate it. Everybody knows what agitate means? Scrub. We're gonna have to scrub. To have one thing replace this whole bucket of stuff. Where can we get it? I thought you never asked.
Yeah, you can use that tonight. If you want, if it was like one, no problem. Let's try it.
Video.
Yes, you keep the egg.
And the old people should be it.
Are you got eat it?
I'm not here.
Me not trouble not woman to eat. You stop drink soda? I do not believe you.
Choose as well.
We're going to Walmart again.
Yes, we're going to Walmart. To pick up some stuff.
We're going to pick up some stuff. And you should let on YouTube.
I've done YouTube.
Yes, me I lend the camera, you'll be a YouTuber.
Alright. Let me do something.
You know, turn around and see. And turn around and say, and in with the car you go. You have to walk all the way down there, so daddy.